Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be comparing the big nest to the regular nest. So I got this one a couple of months ago from Sam, not months ago, just maybe like 1 month ago. If you guys want to watch that video, go ahead and check it out on my channel. Maybe like I'll link it up here or down below. But yeah, you can see it's got like some kind of like tungsten patina on it already. Machine finish on both of these. Have not dropped either one. Well, I just got this one, so I don't have the time to drop this yet, but yeah, honestly, both are amazing. I think I am keeping both of them. They're really, really good. But this video is going to be just to compare them. But before we get further into the video, make sure to check out the channel sponsor down below. Use my code DataDoesItFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, also don't forget to check out the 2EDC Facebook page down below. I'll leave a link. Check them out. You can like probably find one of these on there if you post an ISO post. So yeah, definitely check them out. But yeah, this thing, I love it. Great tungsten spinner for the money, you know, just great shape. It's just good. All right, let's get to comparing. Let's first start with the size. The length is 52.6 on the regular nest, and it is 58.8 on the big nest. And then the thickness, I'm doing it from the body, by the way. The body and the buttons are pretty much the same size. So 19.6. $21.8. I guess I'll do the button size as well. For those of you that are really curious. How do I do this? Hold on. There we go. No, this is the better option to do it. 19.9. 21.8. So yeah, same thing. And then the thickness, height, sorry. 15.1. Yeah. 13.3. There you go. And now for the weight, the most important part. 134 for the regular nest and 185 for the big nest. Pretty heavy. The buttons, we'll take them apart. Alright, those are the buttons first. 41.1918. 57.88. Body is 93.65. 127.45. So the entire body and buttons is 134, and this thing is 127. Basically the entire weight of the spinner for this without the buttons. Pretty crazy. Tungsten is an interesting material. Definitely do recommend you guys try at least one tungsten spinner. So yeah. Alright. And put that aside. So which one do I like better? And why? Honestly, it's really new for me. Like this one, it's really new for me right now. But from what I can tell from just first impressions with this thing, maybe it'll change. I am liking the bigness better than the regular nest. I am used to using the regular nest more, you know. But yeah. Yeah, I would say the big nest for sure. But the regular nest is fun, I will say that. Nice and fun to play with. Sorry, kind of zoned out, but what would happen if you put these buttons on this thing? It looks funny, kind of like the Billiam or the Bantam. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of that. What's the weight of this? $168, not bad. Ooh, hold on. That's pretty cool. One side big, one side small. Let me put them back together. All right, so final thoughts. I do like the big nest better right now, but I am still keeping this thing. It is nice to carry, you know. This is tungsten, but still kind of like a light carry, I would say. Maybe like a spinner and a slider, maybe stainless steel or titanium, I would say, with it. But yeah. It's good. So yeah, there you go. I like the bigness better, but I would still have this one as well. I would not sell them. So yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code daily dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order, and check out the TwoEDC page down below. See you guys in the next one.